Hello friends, this is Tejendra Somani. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I am going to discuss about how to stay positive. Healthy mind is positive mind. For being positive, we need healthy mind. So today I am going to talk about two of these 3 points, which is going to be a part of my positive mind activity. I have divided these 3 parts, like first what we have to do in the morning, second how to pass a day, and third how to pass the life. So first in the morning, let's say here I am highlighting not other points, our routine life, but yes, we have to pray to God daily, we have to do exercise at least 10 or 20 minutes per day. It gives our soul as well as our body a very healthy life, very healthy mind. Now, be in your own planning of the work. What here I mean is, let's be selfish. Let's be choosy. Do not carry away with others' planning. No to social media till you finish your own decided work. So what here I mean, we have to first plan for us, for our planning, how to do, what to do, and we have to finish it off. Second point I would like to highlight is complete your responsibility. I mean the work for which you are responsible. You are needed to be answered. So you have to first finish that part also. First thing, answer yourself. Second thing, you are responsible to answer others. These two part, every day morning first you must finish it, and keep this routine of practice every day. You know. Second is the how to pass a day. Now we think that uh, our mind need to be fed with work completion. We have to keep that. To be positive, we have to feed our mind the completed work status, not the pending work status. The more pending works in your mind, it gives you unhappiness, negativity. Okay, we spend most of the times in learning and watching videos or gossips, etc. It's not good, because at the end of the day, our mind sees what we did. If you do not complete your work, mind will go in negativity. For example, we all know when we do not have money and payables are in front of us, it disturbs our minds. After paying immediately the payment, we become happy. So, the same way, mind is unhappy if the work is not completed. What here I mean? Mind is unhappy if the work is not completed. So the same way, after completion, mind become happy. Means happy mind is positive mind. Here I go. Here we go. Our mind should be positive mind. And mind well, we have to keep the routine of this practice. Don't forget, please. The last point here I would like to say is be person. What do I mean here? Be person is in concern with the mind happiness. We all agree that to complete the work, one has to be very hard to others. Else, work could not be achieved. But make a habit of to be polite once the work get completed. Says always sorry and start communication, even if it's not your mistakes. This is not to be sorry, but it's a message to your mind to close this chapter. So, free mind will work again in a better way. Means happy mind, and speak with me. Happy mind is positive mind. Anything happens, never worry or keep thinking. No overthinking at all. Once the work is done, it's done. It cannot be undone. You understand? Just live in present what to do. And final, we all believe the story is being written by God. We all believe the story is being written by God. So why to worry? He is the God. Who is he? He is the God. So please try to make a routine practice of this procedure in your life. Believe me, you will get success. And at last, what I want to say is healthy mind is positive minds. Means the more our mind will be fed with completion of our routine work, it will be more happy, and each repeated work would give the positivity. Thank you very much. We'll see you in again next video with more some fruitful information about market, economy or motivational speeches, etc. But let's be happy because healthy mind is positive mind.